Hey guys, it's Jay again with Barrett Pressure Washing. It is a beautiful day here in Tampa, and I am going to be doing some pressure washing here in Tampa of a driveway, some machine surface cleaning here. So stick around and I'll show you how I do it. Alright, well, the first thing I do when pressure washing a driveway in Tampa, or any driveway for that matter, is I just pre-soak all the pavers, get those pavers nice and wet. Get them ready for a chemical. Next step here is to soak the entire driveway in sodium hypochlorite or liquid bleach. This helps to eliminate the algae and break up all of the organic material that's on the driveway. After that, using the surface cleaner, touching every square inch of that driveway, getting it nice and clean, breaking up all the dirt and grime. Making sure to get the sidewalks there. Looking good. Next, when pressure washing this driveway in Tampa, taking the turbo nozzle, going up and down each of the sides, making sure I've gotten all the little spots that the surface cleaner might have missed, especially from in between those joints. Next, taking the rinse tip, rinsing the driveway thoroughly, side to side, just pushing all the debris that I've created from the surface cleaner, putting it all down into the drain. Rinse off the truck there, the trailer. Oh, rinse the legs too. There we go, nice and clean. And it's just walking up and admiring my work. And there we have it, the finished product. Hey, if you're looking for pressure washing in Tampa, look no further than Barrett Pressure Washing. We have more than 15 years of industry experience, professionally trained and certified, tons of 5-star Google reviews, but more than that, I really am committed to excellence in every job that I do. I do meticulous work and have the utmost respect for my customers, their property, and minimizing the impact that I have on the environment. And remember,